Hello students, let's learn does C++ follow bottom-up approach? Yes, C++ or any object-oriented language follows bottom-up approach. And in bottom-up approach, we divide a complex problem into smaller, easier parts. And if these parts are still complex, then we further divide those into more manageable, easier tasks. And we keep on repeating this process until we get easiest parts. And when we get easiest parts, so then we have most basic parts. Those parts are called most basic parts of that complex problem. So I want to say doing all this, we get most basic parts of that complex problem. So then, what we do then, easiest tasks are solved or processed first, and then using results of those easiest parts, we process next higher level tasks, and repeating this process with the next higher level tasks, we get the solution of main complex problem. So this is how a bottom-up approach is used. And if we want to store data of an object, then we first get most basic details of that object. And then taking those basic details, we keep on processing its further higher level details according to requirement. And same tasks we can also do in procedural oriented language. But for data security wise, in favor of security, if we see, then procedural oriented language are not safe and good. And in object oriented language, if we want to store data of student, then we first decide to take his most basic details like roll number, name, class, fees, absence, presence, etc. Then we get entries. First we collect basic data, roll number, name, class, fees, absent, processing. Then we go to next level, the entry level processing. Then we further go to get processes like fees related processing, attendance related processing. So we follow some processes after getting most basic details, and at the end, combining all these processes, we can provide final results of an object. So here we have discussed if we want to store data of student, then we first decide to take his most basic details, then we get the entries, then we can process this data for getting basic details of students, fees related processing, attendance related processing, and at the end, combining these processes, we can provide final results of an object. And now here, taking most basic details of student object, we reach to complex result creation process. So here taking most basic details of student object, we reach to complex result creation process. So object oriented language provide data security features. So today we have discussed about bottom up approach. So I end this session here, and we will discuss next topic in next session. Till then, have a nice time. Thank you.